Hi everyone, welcome to fourth part how to make a simple Jarvis media player. This is very basic. I just made it right now, and the code, okay, the code the code is very basic, okay, it's not professional, okay, it's just only to show you how you can make this simple Jarvis media player, okay. I have another media player which is very advanced, and I'm going to try to make also the advanced one, okay, next time. But for this time I just making a simple media player, okay. Now what we have in the last session we worked on previous button, okay. If the media player state is playing, then we are going to use another if statement. If the playlist is index is equal 0, then the playlist index is equal 0, okay. Else the Jarvis media player ctl control dot previous, and then we are going to playlist dot selected index is equal -1, okay, and it will update, okay. Now we are going to see if the previous button is working, okay. Now we are going to browse our folder, music folder. Now I have more songs. Now you can see all the songs names are here, okay. If I select it, it will play. Now I'm going to let me put the volume little bit down, okay. Now if I press the previous button,
music file from your drives,
see, it's going to previous song, see, it's going to previous song. Now we are going to work on next button, okay. We are going to work on next button because it's not working. See, if I clicked it, it's not working because we have to work on it. Now I am going to copy for next button. We also use the same method, but it's a little bit different, okay. Now we are going to paste this one. We are going to give our media player name first, okay, like this, okay. Then what we have to do right now, we are going to, if the Windows media player state is equal playing, okay, then we are going to give our list box name, list box dot selected index as less than our or here we are going to give our playlist name dot item dot count -1, okay. It will count the -1, okay. Then we have to give our media player name again, Jarvis media player main dot next. It will make next, okay. And then we are going to give our playlist name, playlist lb will plus equal 1, okay. It will plus equal 1, okay. Then it will update the playlist, our list box, like this, okay. If else then it will go to 0, okay. Our list box index will go to 0, and then we are going to copy this one and paste it here like this, okay. Now what this will gonna do, okay, this will gonna do, if the selected index is equal less than, okay, less than is playlist index dot count, it will count to -1, okay. It will count to -1. Then Jarvis.ctl control will next, okay. then Jarvis no, the playlist selected index will add it will add one value to it. Okay, if else it will make it a list box in selected index will be 0, and then it will update. Okay, now let's see if it's working. Now we are going to browse it. I will select the songs, we are going to play it, and then we are going to play next, like this. Okay, now over here, as you can see, when it will go to the last one, then it will come again of the on the top. That's why we are using the over here. It will count the items and it will go to -1 like this. Okay, it will go again on the top. Okay, and it will again start. Okay, it will again start the from to increment 1. Okay, okay, now we have to work on another button. Okay, in fast forward we have it. Okay, for fast forward we simply just do media player.ctl control fast forward. Okay, then for playlist button we are going to perform button browse btn.perform click. Okay, it will click on this browse button. Okay, okay, now we done with this. Okay, for full screen I don't have button for full screen, and do I have? I don't know. Let me see if I have a button for full screen, but we don't have much space for I have to make this volume slider little bit small. Let me add another picture. Control C. I will control this button and Control V. I will put it here. I will name it full screen. Okay, the button name full screen. Full screen BTN. I will double click on it. Okay, now for full screen we have to do something like this. Okay, we are going to use also the if statement for it. Okay, now over here I have to put my Jarvis media player name. Okay, when the media player state is playing, then Jarvis media player dot full screen is equal true. It will make it full screen is equal true. Okay, if else the Jarvis is dot main play is equal full screen is equal false. Okay, if else then full screen is equal false. Okay, this is just a simple code for full screen. Okay, let me show you how it will work. I will browse it. I will browse one. I will play it. If I click just wait, I have to change the image of the full screen. I have to import it. Okay, now select it like this. Okay, now click on it. Debug. Now click on your I have to select the, then I will play it.
Hi everyone.
If I click now on full screen, it will make full screen, but I don't want to do it because okay, let me do it now. See, it's a full screen. Okay, now we have full screen also. Now what we have to do, we are going to work on commands right now, okay, with voice commands. Okay, what we have to do, we are going to add some commands. Okay, now this is commands is for open playlist. Okay, we are going to perform click on our browse button. Okay, what we have to do, we are going to give our name of browse button dot perform click. Okay, it will say choose a music file from your drives. Okay, and then it will play it will perform click on this browse button. Okay, it will browse button, it will click on browse button. Okay, now the other one is minimized. If I say hide the media player, it will minimize it. Okay, this command is for this one. Okay, and then if I say show media player, then it will maximize it, and then the topmost is equal true. Okay, when it's minimized, then it will topmost is equal false. When it's maximized, then it will Windows state will be normal, and then it will make it topmost is equal true. Okay, now we are going to work on a play button. We are going to start play btn dot perform click. It will click on the play button. Okay, by if you say play, it will play it. Okay, on it will click on play btn. Okay, now for fast forward button, we are going to have to give the name of the fast forward. Fast f btn is name of our name of my Jarvis button. Then I will perform clicks like this. Your fast reverse, we are going to use fast I gave the wrong name, fast s. Okay, but you can change, we can change it later. Okay, this is for fast reverse. And then for resume, we have to click on pass btn. Okay, past btn dot perform click like this. Okay, and then for pass button, we also going to use a pass perform click. Okay, pass btn dot perform click. For stop, we are going to use a stop btn dot perform click like this. Okay, then for previous move, we are going to use pre btn dot perform click. This is now name of my previous button. Okay, for next button, we are going to use the next button dot perform click. Okay, for the media player of a full screen, we are going to use a media player. Full screen button dot perform click like this. Okay, for mute volume, we are going to use mute volume btn dot perform click. Okay, We don't have for volume up right now button. We don't have for volume up. Okay. For close BTN, we are just simply for close media player. We are using simply close BTN dot perform click. Close BTN perform. Something is wrong. Yes, we are going to use this dot close. Okay, this dot close like this. Simply we are going to use this dot close. For Jarvis full screen, we are going to use Jarvis our full screen, but exit full screen. We don't have exit full screen command. For this I will use the media player. This is our name of media player dot focus. It will focus. Okay, and then media player dot full screen is equal false. Okay, it will false the full screen. We don't have such a button for this right now, but we can do it like this, exit full screen. Okay, and don't forget to add this all commands to your text file. We have text file over there. If I go to documents, Visual Studio Project, Jarvis Media Player, or here you have to right click and add a text file and name it media player commands, whatever you like. Okay, then add all the commands over here. Open playlist, add playlist, minimize, hide media player, show media player, play, fast forward, fast reverse, resume. Okay, I have 2 resumes over here. I have to remove the one resume, and then pause, stop, previous, next, full screen, media player full screen, mute volume, volume up, and other things. Okay, this has to be on your grammar when you are loading grammar. Okay, this. Okay, now we have to check if the media player is working fine. Open playlist, add a playlist,
Choose music file from your drives.
play, next, 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 previous, 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 pause, resume, stop, play, fast forward, resume, play, fast forward, fast reverse. Now it's reverse, play. See, now you can see it's working fine. Go full screen, media player full screen, exit full screen, next, 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 stop, close media player. As you can see, now it's working fine. Okay, now it's working fine, and this is the last part of how to make a simple Jarvis media player. Okay, this is very basic. Okay, you have to go to watch the how to make Jarvis in C# Windows Farm application, and then when you have the Jarvis code, then you can make a media player also with the same code. Okay, but for media player other parts I show you for previous button and play button and other things for playlist list box, but list box index change. Okay, selected index change. I show you all this in part 3, I think, and you can try this media player. It's very simple and it's not very difficult. It's a basic media player. Okay, I hope you got something from this Jarvis media player, and soon I will going to make about how to make how to fix appointments and how to make the Jarvis alarm clock. Okay, in C# programming language in Windows Farm. Okay, I will make these tutorials, and please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. How can I make what should I make, what kind of tutorial should I make? Okay, and also if you have any idea, share your idea with me. How can we make what kind of tutorial should we make? Okay, and also you can send me through my channel okay, private messages if you need help that you don't want to show other people that what kind of questions you have. Okay, then you can send me message through my YouTube channel. Okay, about page, if you go there, or you can send me messages and we will talk there. We will talk about what how can I solve your problem, or how can you can solve my problems. If I have some kind of problems, you can share your ideas. Okay, this tutorial is ended over here. This is the part 4. Okay, see you in next tutorial. Bye from now.